Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to get rid of background noise. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. And then if you direct your attention to the mic and aux area, if you go to my filters, if you see, if I turn all these off, it's actually surprising. You're still not able to hear my fan because I think I actually moved it back. But let's say I type, touch anything, you can see it appear on here. Now, what you're going to want to do is I would like to turn on a noise suppression and then a compressor. And then now, if I type, even slam on my keyboard, you don't actually hear anything and you can see it in my mic aux thing right here. Right, and then in the noise suppression, I use the R noise good quality, depending on how good your CPU is. And this is my compressor settings. I'll go ahead and leave them here for a second so you can go ahead and match them if you feel like doing that. And then, yeah, make sure to leave any questions, comments, or concerns down below. This has been a very quick Discord tutorial. Discord, OBS.